I mean, why couldn't someone just check on her? That's what I don't understand.
Well, that is one of many questions plaguing a Fairfield County mom whose daughter overdosed at a Franklin County jail. Back in April, we told you that more than 200 people have overdosed in Franklin County jail since 2021.
Several have been deadly, and tonight 10 TV Investigates reporter Rochelle Aline is taking some action and pushing the governor for answers.
She was a loving person.
Between 1989
Everybody got along with her.
and 2023, Guerra Perdue was here.
She'd do anything for anybody.
But these days, her mom Patty is left with grief and unanswered questions.
It's an accidental death is what I got. So, I mean, yeah, and I there's a lot of questions I have.
According to her autopsy, Guerra died of an accidental fentanyl overdose while inside of a local jail, and her family doesn't know how she got those drugs.
There are a lot of questions in this case.
But here's what her attorney says they do know.
Medical staff who are actually employed by a separate company contracted with the jail. They were responsible for checking on her and administering basically a detox protocol while she was at the jail, and they just didn't do their jobs. And there is no good explanation for that.
The family filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Armor Health of Ohio, the company hired to care for inmates in Franklin County. The lawsuit alleges that some medical staff said they checked on Guerra 42 times, but the lawsuit claims they only checked on her 3 times.
On top of that, these employees actually shredded initially falsified documents and then created new falsified documents.
10 Investigates called Armor Health and their attorney offered no comment. The Franklin County Sheriff's Office is not being sued in connection to this death. In April, they told us they were working to prevent overdoses.
I can't imagine what that feeling is like, but I can assure you that the folks that work in the jail are doing their very best.
And this week, we asked the governor what he's doing to support that mission.
Keeping drugs out of jails and prisons is an ongoing battle. And so, we're looking for other ways that we can be of help to the local sheriff.
But it's an answer that's of little comfort to Patty as she waits for a decision from the court.
I want justice. I don't want this to happen to anybody else.
In Columbus, Rochelle Aline, 10 TV News.
Court records show that Armor Health of Ohio asked the court for an extension to respond to the lawsuit. That extension runs out tomorrow. The Franklin County Sheriff's Office has declined to comment on this case.